cross 2 matrix and 3 cross 3 matrix. Today, let us do the problem in finding the characteristic equation. So, consider the problem. Find the characteristic equation of the matrix. So, see the given matrix. What's the order for this matrix? It is 3 cross 3. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. So, the problem is finding the characteristic equation of a 3 cross 3 matrix. So, as we already saw in the yesterday video, the characteristic equation of 3 cross 3 matrix is given by lambda cube minus C1 lambda square minus C2 lambda plus C3 equal to 0. So, this is the formula to find the characteristic equation of a 3 cross 3 matrix. So, let us find the unknown constant. So, what are the unknown constant? C1, C2, C3. C1. C1 is the sum of the main diagonal. So, see the given matrix, the main diagonal. So, this is your main diagonal. So, the main diagonal you have to add. So, the element is 6 plus 3 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So, we got the C1 as 12. C1 is got by adding the elements in the main diagonal. So, for this problem, we get C1 is equal to 12. Next, we will find C2. C2 is the sum of the minors of the main diagonal. So, minors of the main diagonal. The element in the main diagonal is 6, 3, 3. So, let us find the minor for these diagonal element. So, the minor for this 6 is got by eliminating the rows and columns. So, we will get 3, 1, minus 1, 3. The next minor, the diagonal element is 3. The minor for this element is 6, 2, 2, 3. The next diagonal element is 3. The minor for this is 6 minus 2 minus 2, 3. So, let us add the constants. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 plus 6 3s are 18 minus 4 plus 6 3s are 18 minus 4. 9 plus 1 is 10. 18 minus 4 is 14. Again here 18 minus 4 is 14. So, we will get it as 38. So, we got C2. The sum of the minor element, minor of the diagonal element is 38. Next, we will find C3. C3 is found out by taking the determinant of A. So, the given matrix, you can find the determinant of this matrix. So, for finding determinant, I am considering the first row. 6 into, delete this row and column. The remaining element 3 minus 1 minus 1, 3. If you multiply, you get 3 3s are 9 minus 1. So, for 6, I am getting 9 minus 1. Minus, here already one minus 2 is there. So, it is plus 2. Deleting this row and this column, we get minus 6 plus 2. Plus, next element is 2. Deleting this row and column, we will get 2 into 2 minus 6. So, 6 into 9 minus 1 is 8 plus 2 minus 6 plus 2 is 4 plus 2. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So, multiply the calculation. 6 8s are 48 minus 8 minus 8. So, 48 minus 8 is 40. 40 minus 8 is 32. So, finally, we got C3. C3, the determinant of this matrix is 32. We found out all the unknown we need, that is C1, C2, C3. What's the characteristic equation? The characteristic equation is lambda cube minus C1 lambda square plus C2 lambda plus minus C3 equal to 0. So the answer we found C lambda cube. C1 we found it as 12. So 12 lambda square. For C2 we got the answer as 38. So 38 lambda. C3 we got is at 32. So the characteristic equation for this problem is lambda cube minus 12 lambda square plus 38 lambda minus 32 equal to 0.